right, good morning. It is Thursday morning. We're trading around 9:26, pretty much where we closed last night. We traded up as high as 8:32 here off the jobless numbers. They fell, poked a new high, and have since just drifted off. So we're trading 9:26, as you can see here, pre-market. The SPOOs, the pivot's down at 9:20, and we'll call it 9:21. And you want to be long again down to that pivot. Probably 921 would be a good buy area this morning. Oil is selling off. You want to be short below, say 2 points, 918. So that's how I would place my orders. We're near the pivot for the first time in about 3 days. And I don't know. It's it's been an amazing thin rally, very little volume, and we have rallied again. 35, let's call it almost 70 points, or a solid 6.75%. So we've had a huge rally. The 50% fib line, and we showed this yesterday, we took over. And the 60, we're basically battling right here. We're sitting right on it. So the 60 fib line is right here at 926 and changed 926.80. So we really didn't close over it, just right on it. Let's call it right on it yesterday. And this area in here still to me is a sell area for a low risk sell. And this goes up to about that 938 area. If we get over that, we close over here. We'll go test that high and probably make a new high and be off to the races to 1,000. But right now, this, after again a 70-point run, this is the area you want to try to test and sell. If we can't, especially the parabolicness of this rally. Intel's numbers were not that good. Retail numbers are not that good. So you got to give it a shot, at least to the dark side. Now, it's not saying we can't go higher and we won't go higher. So keep that in mind that the trend right now is obviously straight up, but straight up usually comes down. So again, I think you want to have a swing trade in here. 15. Give yourself a 15-point stop up to 940. You're trading 926 right now. That's a 2% swing. Day trading wise, just wait. You got to wait for 30 minutes anyway. So no hurry to trade this market. Again, there's been in my book really 3 trades all week in the SPOOs, and hasn't been. There was one good trade on Monday on a trend trade up, and the trend trade yesterday, although it was a trend day, was not a very profitable one. You might have been able to pull 3-4 points out of it by buying the breakout. So, wasn't a huge day, but I suppose there's money to be made always. And today again, after a 3-day huge run, I'm getting a little skeptical of this move. But I'm in the prove me state. I'm happy to go long if we're going to go to take new highs, but I'm going to wait until let them show me, just like they did on the downside. It was all fake to the downside. Now we'll see if it's all fake to the upside. So that's it. Oil again trading down here, 60.30. Everything's kind of coming off into the expiration action Thursday and Friday. Hope you're having a great summer, enjoying it out there as the trading volume. Volatility yesterday got down to 24 again, just dripping down there. And we're back to, I'd mentioned yesterday that we're back to the August-September lows that we saw. So it's really drippy out there volatility-wise, and it's directionless. And again, in a market like this, bears and bulls aren't having a lot of fun. It's definitely a day trader's market. So enjoy it out there. Be safe. Trade small during these thin summer months. And we'll talk to you soon.